What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone camera as a webcam on your PC. We all know that 95% of maybe 90% I would say, most of the laptops don't have good webcam. Most of them are 720p. So in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use your phone camera as a webcam. If you want to do a Zoom call, Telegram call, or for Skype, or whatever you want to do with any video call you want to do. So what you have to do is to download this software called Webcam. Webcam is available on Play Store and it is free. I'll provide both links in the description. You have to download Webcam for your PC and your Android device. They have three ways here to connect it. You can connect it wirelessly or through wire, but in this video I'm going to stick to connecting it via Wi-Fi, which is wireless, because it's very convenient. So you can also choose from the app if you want to use, if you want the audio to be coming from your PC or your mobile device. So what you have to do is launch the app on your Android device, copy your IP. It's very simple. Copy the IP of your Android device, your device IP, and paste it on the same device IP of the software in the version on the PC. I mean the one on the PC. Just copy and paste your IP and it will connect. Make sure your laptop is connected with the same Wi-Fi as your phone. So if you don't have any Wi-Fi at your home, all you have to do is to just turn on your hotspot on your Android device, then connect to the hotspot on your PC. That will actually work also. That will actually work, but make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi on your PC. So when you've done that, you click on start, you will see that my PC is now using my phone camera as a webcam, as you can see here in this video. Note that by default the quality is set to 480p. Yes, 480p. To set it back to 1080p, what you have to do is to go to the software, open file location, scroll down and look for toggle HD mode. Make sure you run it as administrator, because if you don't run it as administrator, you can't change the quality settings. Then set it to 1080p and click on OK. Restart your computer, then it's going to be 1080p and the picture will be more clear. After connecting it successfully, there is one more thing you need to do in the software you want to use your webcam. I will use Camtasia as an example. When you choose, by default, any app you have, any software you have on Windows is going to be using your webcam as default. So you have to select it manually as shown in this video. Just click on the drop down menu and select Webcam. So to use Webcam. So that's how you do it. Make sure you change the source of your webcam to Webcam to use Webcam camera as a webcam. That's all for this video. Let me know in the comment section if it works for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.